I'm back, and today we're gonna do a new video, obviously, because that's why I'm recording. And yeah, so as you can see, I got promoted. So I got promoted. That's pretty cool. Let's have a look at what we did to the base. So boom. So I did quite a lot actually. So I finished off this second mine shot. I did this pixel art on the roof. That's actually Destiny, if you don't know. You look at it that way. That's Destiny, it's the ghost. So if we go somewhere down here, we've actually done quite a bit more of the 45 degree. As you can see, me and the allies, so like so. Yeah, so we want to get this up. This is, we probably need to patch it up actually. But yeah, so it's pretty cool, and what is so cool is that we can get the claims of the allies sorted, because at the moment, like, we haven't got any communication to the allies sort of, but I just got the guy's Skype. Yeah, so easy. Anyway, so we need to get that all the way up. I think we're gonna do like another one like that. So instead of carrying that on, we start again from there and then again. So it obviously just helps loads with the claims. So we need to get to that. The other thing I wanted to say was that we obviously got the grinder up set up down there. Wait, slim. I set up grinder down at bottom. Okay, so we might actually do water for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Home base 1. So we need to do that, and PV6 is the stuff to yeah. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the watering here. I'm not sure how to do this, but I'm gonna do it anyway. So yeah, so it's pretty cool. We're gonna try and get this. I'm not sure how we're gonna do this. I'm not sure how you do this actually, because that'll happen. Yeah. Oh, I think I actually know how I'm gonna do this. Oh, what's it? It's gonna be sort of like a glitch, sort of. Yeah, so yeah, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this. Oh no, I'm gonna do this. Then I'm gonna get rid of this. Alright, that's obviously working. So I'm just gonna add this one more, because that's gonna do. Yeah, I think we need to just block up that and go like this. Wait, we'll just put that there. Yeah, so I think that's what we're gonna have to do, and then that like that. So yeah, perfect. Okay, so that's what we want to do on each side. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 7, 2, 8. Yeah, I just want to show them buckets. So yeah, so we're just gonna do this. Yeah, so this is pretty cool. I guess I'm gonna have to do this from all sides. So It's gonna be really cool actually. 4, 3, 4, P4, PV6. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna have to have. Oh, for God's sake. We're gonna have to sort out like this, power issue, because as you can see, I'm not gonna F-map, but we've got max power. Well, now we have anyway. And the thing is, it's like we can claim our base, but if we like I'm obviously, like I said just earlier, so like I said, yeah, so just kill me. Earlier I said that I was gonna not carry on the 45-degree regions, but the thing, yeah, I'm gonna do that, but what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put it above it. Yeah, I didn't say well, I just did anyway. So yeah, so we've just done that. Don't set up FM until I say. Okay, will we put caves here? Yeah, so I actually do want to get haste free. That's a big thing, because I just want a haste free. I just need it in my life. But I don't know about it. So I'm gonna say, guys, TP to me for the 45-degree. So anyway, so I'm gonna put this stuff in here. I'm gonna get out this stuff. Home base. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna TP in a second. So I'm pretty sure it's here. Oh no, I went the wrong side. It's the complete other side. So, oh, it's here. Alright. TP accept. So there we go. So TP slim. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna stop that here then, and then we're gonna carry on that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mine this. Oh, I want to just F-map it. Right, so yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna do this here. Yeah, so that's perfect there. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and record this down here. That is. Oh, I just gave away my chords. Oh, I don't even care, but 117. So I need to go to 117 on this. And then I just do that again. So that's pretty much that. So I'm just going to build that up loads. Then we can place it. We can actually place the lava quite soon. Okay, so that's a 9. Yeah, so that's where I'm gonna do that. So this here is this. If this is right. I'm putting wood drive over 40. Yeah, so this is pretty cool though, guys. Yeah, it's pretty cool. put, yeah, I need to know if that works, because if you can stack there and then something down there, okay, but I'm doing here because saving claims. Anyway, so that's what we need to do here. So Cosmicpvp. Okay, I think that's right. So we're gonna bring that up. So yeah, so this is what we're gonna do, because that's probably the best thing to do. But yeah, but this is a bit boring for you guys, and I keep doing base work in my videos, but I actually like doing base work. I like watching when I watch YouTube myself. But yeah, so I need to know what to do actually. But this is what I was gonna show you anyway. So this is our set here. So this is the helmet which I got for 5k. Like, what? 5k? I mean, this is with Enlightened and Drunk, a godhound basically, and like Voodoo 6. That's a godhound, and Poison 4. That's literally godhound. On this is just a temp for the overload 3, because we need that overload. This I got for, well, it was on for 10k, I missed it, and then it went up for 20k, so I bought it. They are literally maxed with Cactus 2 and G freaking G. So I think I'm gonna get a different chest plate, because it's overload and this is also overload. I'm not actually sure, but this has got a rubber shield too, so I can wear that for base work. And yeah, so we've got the Strong 4 helmet, so I thought maybe a black skull, I'm not actually too sure. But anyway, so I'm not sure what just happened. Anyway, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna say TP for 45 degree base work. Okay, so I just can't wait for us to finish this side and then see if it works and everything, because I'm pretty sure it should work. Okay, Cosmic. Get netherrack. And build here. There. Okay, so we're gonna just do this. And yeah, so what I'm gonna do is, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do an envoy, because I want to get an envoy. And yeah, so I'm gonna come back when these are pretty much done, and then I'm gonna go to an envoy, and then I think that's gonna be it for the episode. But yeah, so if you think that I'm not doing enough in these episodes, I'm not quite sure, because I am uploading 2 times a day, which is pretty good if you ask me. 1 in the morning and 1 in the afternoon. But obviously it's up to you. I mean, if I'm not uploading good content, then you guys just tell me and I'll make sure I do. So apart from that, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna carry on here, and then when the envoy is at about 24 minutes, I'm gonna go ahead and go there. And yeah, so that's pretty cool. So see you when I'm at the envoy. Okay, peace. No, wait, what? Okay guys, so we're icy planes for the envoy. Yeah, I kind of just want to like go out, so I definitely get a chest, but I'm not going to. So what I'm gonna do is I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm just gonna skip until envoy. So see you at envoy. Guys, I just realised I think it's best to do what I'm thinking about doing. So I just put on like a shard kit. And then I put this in. Then I'm going to fly out because the chest might spawn underneath me because I'm there. And that's like 100% chance of me getting a chest possibly. I'm not quite sure, but something like that. So I'm going to do this. And then I think I'm just going to carry on recording because 28 minutes. Skelly spawner cave 6.5. 19 zombies 100k. Ooh. But look at this. F top 3. Oh, that's us. Yeah. We've got some cave spawners down. But I mean, if we do F top, like that is stupid. Like mad stacks of cash. But anyway, so polar. Yeah. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Oh, what a smell. Yeah. When I do it, you have any more netherrack? Yes, but mine. Oh, never. Jeez, arguing there. The thing is, like, I want to buy some stuff like now whilst it's cheap. Well, it's not really cheap, is it? Because we don't really need it now. But I'm just looking out for like snatchers because that'd be good. Annihilate. Anyway, so yeah, envoy, 30 minutes. Oh. It's just so boring. Just sitting here for the envoy is just so boring. As you can see, nobody's actually climbed there yet, which is actually really surprising, but you don't actually need to though, but you sort of do. But 250k right now is quite a lot, so I think we're going to say, wait, I'm going to ask. Anyway, so, I just don't know when this envoy's gonna go. It's just so freaking long. No. F top 5 are like. Well, if we got 35 spawners, then I bet like that's probably like. I don't think we got 35. Wait, have we got 35 caves spider? Well, that's good. I want to get that. I'm pretty sure it's a random drop, so I really do want to get that. It's taking so long. I think I'm going to cut back when the envoy happens. Whoa. Yeah, I think I'm going to cut back when it happens. One sec, guys. I don't know what to do, guys. The freaking envoy's like at 36 minutes. Like, it's taking like so long. Well, I'm gonna still wait. I literally was just reading a forum post and I freaking missed the envoy. I'm so annoyed, man. It was like 45 minutes and I missed it. Well, I'm going to end the episode off here. I'm going to go ahead and fix what Slim wants me to fix. I'm not sure what it is, but I'll fix. So I'm not sure what the hell has happened. Like, what the actual, like, what? It's too big, lol, lolly. Okay. Let me open. Alright, do that, then do that. Then do that. I don't know why he's saying it's too big. Okay, so I think that's it. Oh no. Ah yeah, we messed up it. Default. Oh, we're gonna have to do a stupid thing again. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Like that. And get rid of these. Got rid of that. Okay, so I think we'll just fix this ease. Okay, and then yeah, fixed it. I don't know what was wrong actually. I'm a bit confused, but I don't get. Oh yeah, that works. So we didn't need it. That thing. So yeah, they just dropped down there. So that's pretty cool. They dropped down here. I think he wanted to put water anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and put water there. I'm actually really excited because look how many lube we've got. We've got like so many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 caves. GG. If we do F top 3 then. Okay, yeah, well, it's different, but we're gonna go PV4. Home base. Oh no, why did I do that? Cheese, nausea. Well, I'm going to place this and then I'm going to end the episode off there because that's pretty GG. So, let's go back here. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please comment anything you didn't like or anything and give me some support. I really do need this support and I really do want this support, so please do comment and give me all that support. But apart from that, I hope you guys enjoyed and have a nice day.